It's time to install the end cap, which is the last step of erecting a stage right or stage left. We're working on stage left of the Stay Tuned set. And we've already covered in previous videos the installation of the brackets, so we know that we have a bracket right there at the bottom, right there in the center, and then up there at the top. Scott has the 2x10, and I know it's a little dark again to see, but I'm going to zoom in here just so that you can see that we do have a ladder back there. In fact, I'm going to come around here so that you can see. This step is impossible without a ladder. And although we keep a small ladder in the electrical room, it's not quite tall enough. You do need the purple ladder from the Creative Kitchen to get up high enough so that you can hit that bracket up there. And so it takes two people. In a moment I'm going to step around and Scott's going to start by installing the top. And I want you to see the value now of having those brackets pre-installed, mainly because you need something to push on. And so with that bracket already installed up there, you can see that all he has to do is drop a couple of screws and that panel is secured. And I'm going to step around now again. So you've got one man in the front and then you've got another person here. You can see his hands there. I'm just providing some back pressure so that he can push against the panel. There's one screw and there's the other screw. That panel's secured now, and then we're just going to go right on down the line. You can see the gap here. There's that bracket peeking through. We're gonna tighten that up, screw it down, and this will be finished.